Okay, let's unbox this. Unbox natin yung tools ko galing sa school. Okay, let's see kung ano ang mga nandito. Alright. Okay. Hold on. Okay, first I have manifold gauge. So ito, manifold gauge. Alright. Manifold gauge at ito yung hose. Low pressure and high pressure. Yung pula, tsaka yung dilaw. Yan yung nasa gitna kung mag-charge ka or mag-evacuate. That's what you're gonna use. Alright. Manifold gauge. Okay, I have that. Oh, meron akong clamp. Meron na ako nito pero may isa pa ako. So dalawa na. May clamp ako. I have adjustable range. Okay, 2 sets of a screw. Maybe this is 1/4. 1/4 and maybe this is 38, the other one is 38. Anong size nito? Let's see. Yeah, ito yung ginagamit lagi pag tatanggal ka ng cover. Usually yun yung mga screw. Okay, I have that. Oh, I have this. Ito ay pipe cutter. Not bad. Cutter. And meron akong professional cutter. Cutter and electrical cutter and crimping plier. Yeah, this is good. I like it. Cutter and crimping tools. Okay, not bad. And ano ito? Oh, ito yung sa valve. Ilalagay din sa valve. Tapos may valve remover. Valve doon sa hose. Yung kinakabit mo doon sa service valve. Okay, and mayroon akong service valve rod set. Ito ang ginagamit pag nag-evacuate ka tapos kailangan mo na isara yung service valve. Okay, and meron akong hexagonal tools, different sizes. Okay, and of course meron akong pangatlo ko na to. Bumili ako ng sa akin dati. So meron akong multimeter. Let's see kung maganda itong multimeter na to. Kasi yung sa akin wala akong mas maganda ito kaysa sa akin sa binili ko. Clean tools, multimeter. Okay. Alright. And this is good. Kasi pwede kong ikabit yung clamp ko dito. Okay. Ito yung sa probe. Ito yung sa clamp. Testingin nga natin. Lagyan natin yung battery. Okay. testingin natin. Three battery in here. Although may multimeter na ako, pero ito mas maganda ito kasi nailalagay ko yung clamp. May lagayan siya ng clamp. Yung sa akin wala. Yung clamp sa discharge and suction line. Excuse me. Okay. All right. It's on. It's alive. Okay. And auto mega ohms, microfarad, continuity. Okay. Sounds good. Ganda ito tayo, Klein tools. Ganda ito, ganda, good quality to. Okay, asan yung ating nandito sa isa ang ating probe. Ito. Okay. So yung probe natin is yung itim sa comb, tapos yung pula dito sa kabila. Yan, continuity. Oops. There you go. So, pwede mong gamitin to kung titestingin mo yung switches, kung open or close. Malaman mo kung normally open siya or normally close na switch. So this is good. I like it. Yan. Okay, this is good. Although meron na akong ganito. Pero iba pa rin yung so may tatlo na akong ganito. Padala ko yung isa sa Pilipinas. Okay? And meron ako dito. Ito, yung clamp. I think I have this. Meron ako dito eh. Where's my bag? Ito yung binili ko sa this is good. This is important para testingin mo yung line, yung suction line or discharge line. So ipapasaksak mo to dito. Positive, negative. Ayan, may sign naman. You have to follow. Hindi pwedeng magbaliktad. So ayan. There you go. Nasaksak mo dyan. Tapos ikaklam mo to doon sa pipe, sa copper pipe. Makukuha mo ngayon yung temperature doon. Temperature ng refrigerant. Okay. Alright. Tapos lalagay mo siya sa Fahrenheit. Yan. Ako, ilan kaya ang temperature ko? Oh, really? Oh, meron. 91. 90. 91. Kuha niya yung temperature ko. Okay, that's good. Alright, so that is useful. I don't have that, wala akong ganyan dun sa isa kong multimeter. But yung aking multimeter na yan is very compact. Maliit lang. I like it. Pag hindi ko kailangan yung sa temperature, pwede na. Okay, yan ang aking tools. Meron pa pala. Okay, let's open everything. Okay, I got the case. Meron akong case nung Klein multimeter na yan. Ano ba to? Meron pa isa dito. Alligator clamp. Pwede pala. This is good. Oh, meron akong alligator clamp. So, pwede ko siyang i-adapt dito. That's nice. Ang galing ko to. Tapos, isaksak ko doon. Ganyan yan eh. Lalabas ko yan. Nakasaksak na ganyan. Okay. This is good. I like it. Isaksak mo doon yan. Right. Yeah, there you go. Tapos, saksak mo yan, right? Tapos, pag kukuha ka ng voltahe at mataas yung voltahe, para safe, iliklak. Ikagat mo yan doon sa, kunwari sa thermostat. No. I-jumper mo yung thermostat halimbawa, i-lock mo yan doon sa red, at saka i-lock mo doon sa sa Y, para i-bypass mo yung thermostat. Nasa under na siya. Kasi sometimes, problema yung thermostat ang mismo may problema. So this is good, this is useful. Okay, but pag ginagawa mo yan, dapat papatayin mo muna yung power. Para hindi mag-short. But if you're expert, sige. Okay, ayos yan. Meron tayo yan. Tapos ito, last but not the least, ano ito? Tool belt. Tool belt ba ito? Meron pa. May tools dito. What is it? Ito. Yes. Okay, let's open it. Open this. There you go. Oh, nice. Okay, meron akong tool belt. Ito belt to. And this is tool belt. Tool belt pouch. Lalagay mo dyan sa akin. At saka meron akong sorted pliers. Yes, this is good. Okay. Meron akong channel axe. Malaki. Meron akong electrical cutter and crimper. Small. Meron akong long nose plier or electrician plier, whatever you call it. Meron akong cutter. This is nice. Oh. May plug pa, oh. 4th of July. Happy 4th. Nice. At saka, electrical plier. Anong tawag natin dito sa Pilipinas nito? Plais. Plais ang tawag namin dito. Tapos, meron akong assorted Phillips screws. Phillips screws, flat screws. Dalawang Phillips, isang malaki, isang maliit. Tsaka dalawang flat screw din. Maliit tsaka medyo malapad. Okay? This is nice. Not bad. Thank you, NC. Thank you for the tools. Wow. Awesome. Nice. So yan ang aking tools. Which is good. Okay, dito lagyan natin sa box yung ating ito, hindi na natin kailangan yan. Okay. Ating line tools. So, okay. Ito ang starter kit ng HVAC technician. So this is good. I got starter kit. Awesome. Awesome, NC. Thank you. Ayos.